Hello everyone. So my name is Irwin Thomas Wilson. Today I will be talking about yet another interesting topic, that is eyewitnesses and their importance in Indian legal system. So eyewitness is a key player in the pursuit of justice delivery system through ages, and as I have discussed in my earlier topic, the witness protection scheme. The great philosopher Bentham always says that witnesses are the eyes and ears of the justice. So it is a necessity of fundamental justice that there should be truth and impartiality as the essence of justice. So with this comes the role of an eyewitness who confirms the commission or omission of an act leading to an offense. So now let's see where it is mentioned in Indian Evidence Act about eyewitness. So according to Section 3 of Indian Evidence Act, there are two major forms of witnesses. The first one is statement of witness, and the next one is documentary evidence. So uh, eyewitnesses always fall under the first category. The eyewitness testimonies are considered under Section 3, Clause 1 of the Indian Evidence Act. So, this section provides the statement of an eyewitness under oath with a major evidentiary value under Indian law. So, in a famous case, Madhuranatha versus State of Karnataka, a witness has been defined as a person who is able to provide information by oral or written depositions given in the court, or otherwise, generally, a witness is considered to be independent unless acting under coercion, fraud, or false means. So, the next one is Section 118 of Indian Evidence Act states that every person should be competent to testify before the court of law unless exempted duty to legal disability. Example, a lunatic person cannot testify as a witness. So another provision of the Indian Evidence Act that strengthens the status of an eyewitness is Section 134. So this section lays down the provision that there is no particular number of witness fixed by law which can be required to prove any fact. Even one witness can be enough to prove a fact before the court of law. So the Supreme Court has held that even there can be conviction or even on the basis of one witness or sole witness. So next one is importance of eyewitness under Indian law. The role of an eyewitness under Indian law is significant for the trial process and to maintain the fairness of the justice delivery system, because the role of eyewitnesses comes into play during the initial trial procedure, where the platform of the entire case is built before a court of law. So all the statements are recorded as evidence in accordance with Section 164 of CRPC. The statements are recorded on oath, followed by the three-tier procedure of examination in chief, cross-examination, and re-examination of eyewitnesses. So, in the case of Vikas Kumar Roorkawal versus State of Uttarakhand and others, Supreme Court has examined the role of witnesses in the criminal justice system. The court laid or held laid the perspective that the witnesses play an integral role in the criminal justice system. In the criminal justice system. The next one is major drawbacks of eyewitness testimony. Eyewitness testimony plays a vital role in the justice delivery system, but it also has several drawbacks. which make it an unreliable source of evidence many times. In a survey under English law, it was found that inaccurate eyewitnesses lead to more than 75% of wrongful convictions. The same scenario goes under Indian legal system, also where every year wrongful convictions take place. The eyewitness testimonies are affected by several factors that reduce their accuracy. So, some of the uh, uh, physical, it can be some of the factors is use of mask, wig, or any disguise by the offender, lack of observance of witness, etc., etc. So now we will see in detail what are the cases where there is unreliability of eyewitness. Eyewitness testimony is affected by many factors. Even though it plays a vital role in the justice delivery system, there are several factors which can affect the observation of an eyewitness. This leads to unreliability upon the eyewitness. So the first factor of unreliability is focus on weapon. So when a person sees a person committing an offense or a felony, so many people see with what tool he is committing the offense. If it is a murder or attempt to murder, it can be a gun, a knife, other blunt weapons, and all. So if the witness focuses more on the weapon and less on the details about the perpetrator, then it can cause unreliability of the eyewitness. Next is an environment of high stress. So at the scene of the crime, either the person is a victim or not, he is under high stress. So high stress puts our mind and body to survival mode, and the person's mind works for his survival rather than focusing on the perpetrator. The next one is mental trauma. So when a person sees an act of crime is happening in front of his eyes, so it can cause a certain traumatical experience to his mental health. So that can also be an a factor for unreliability of eyewitness. The next one is human memory. So human memory can fade as the time passes. So the human memory stores memories in bits and pieces. So with the passage of time, the witness can lose that important and some of the important and vital information of the perpetrator, which may or may not lead to a wrongful conviction or even the acquittance of the acquittal of the uh, perpetrator. So the next one is suggestive identification. Many a time, the investigating officer suggests some photo. I mean, show the witness some photographs, and according to the details given by the witnesses, they may investigating officers show some photographs of the perps. So this also can lead to wrongful conviction. Delay in justice delivery system, that is also is connected with the human memory, because as time passes, human memory can also fade, and therefore if there is a delay in justice delivery system, so that can also uh, affect that can also call unreliability of witness. Next is fake or coercive witness. Many a times there will be false witnesses or a witness statement gives under coercion. So that is also one of the reasons for unreliability of eyewitnesses. So this is all about the importance of eyewitnesses in a legal system in India. So thank you guys. Feel free to comment about the topic. Thank you.